Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
This is Aman Maheshwari.
This is Ritika Mishra from Upside Down Labs. We are thrilled to bring you 12th update of Chords application. For those who are new here, let me introduce you to Chords application. It's an open source web application designed for real-time signal visualization, particularly tailored for biopotential signals like ECG, EMG, EOG and EEG. Without further ado, let's get started.
Here is a brief look what we did last week. Last week we added support for Arduino Nano board, which enables the recording of up to 8 channels of biopotential data. We also added a feature wherein the application automatically sets the channels limit according to the development board. For example, 3 channels of data is supported with Raspberry Pi Pico, 6 channels of data is supported with Arduino Uno R3, Maker Uno, Arduino Uno R4 Minima, Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi, Arduino Giga R1. 8 channels of data is supported with Arduino Nano.
Now let's talk about what we have new for this week. This week we focused on improving the overall user interface. Previously we had a lot of buttons here, so while recording the signals, the buttons would overlap, making the interface cluttered and difficult to use. To solve this, we have moved some of the feature buttons here in the settings section. When you click on the setting icon, a popover will appear on the screen. First, channel selection features allows you to choose specific channels you wish to visualize. Previously, you could just increase or decrease the number of channels without skipping a channel. For example, if you wanted to visualize data from channel 4, you would have to increase the channel count to 4 and ignore channels 1 to 3 because the data from all channels 1 to 4 would appear on the screen. But now, with our recent updates, you can just select channel 4 from popover and the data from only channel 4 should appear on screen. We are planning to support up to 16 channel of data visualization on Chords. We are also going to release compatible hardware as well to take benefit of this. Based on hardware used, some channels may be disabled. For instance, when using the Arduino Uno R4 Minima, which supports up to 6 channels of data, 6 channels will be enabled. If you connect Raspberry Pi Pico to the application, only 3 channels will be enabled, as this board supports a maximum 3 channels of data. Another point is to be noted is that you can only record the selected channel data and save it in CSV format. This feature allows users to customize and focus on most relevant channel of their needs, eliminating unnecessary data clutter. Whether for detailed analysis or streamlined monitoring, this enhancement offers a more user-friendly and efficient way to interact with channel data. The second one is zoom slider, which allows you to zoom in to examine data points or zoom out for overall view. And third one is time-based slider, which allows you to select desired time duration from 1 to 10 seconds, enabling you to choose how many seconds of data you want to display on screen in one frame. These updates make the interface much cleaner, more user-friendly and intuitive to navigate.
That's all for today. Be sure to check out the roadmap on Chords GitHub repo. The link is available in the description box below. Stay tuned for more update. Thanks for joining us. For additional details, refer to the Chords documentation, which is also linked in the description box below. If you missed any previous updates, you can catch up with our Chords updates playlist. We would love to hear your thoughts and suggestions. Share the features you would like to see in Chords. Exciting updates are on the way, so stay tuned. See you in the next update. Bye bye.